Look up at the night sky. It's a vast canvas painted with countless stars, each twinkling like a distant beacon. Each point of light represents a star, a distant sun, burning brightly in the cosmic expanse. Many of those stars likely have their own planetary systems, with planets orbiting them just like our solar system. We imagine these planets as colorful worlds, each unique and full of wonder, with landscapes and atmospheres that could be vastly different from our own. But did you know those colors aren't just pretty to look at? They are crucial clues that scientists use to understand these distant worlds. These hues help us unlock the secrets of what those distant worlds are actually like. By analyzing the light that these planets reflect, we can determine their composition. Planetary colors are like fingerprints. Each one is unique and tells a story about the planet's atmosphere and surface. They can reveal the composition of a planet's atmosphere and surface, giving us clues about the elements and compounds present. This helps us understand how the planet formed and evolved over millions or even billions of years. The colors can indicate geological activity, weather patterns, and even potential habitability. Most importantly, these colors can even hint at the presence of life. Certain colors might indicate the presence of water, vegetation, or other signs of biological activity. Welcome to the exciting world of planetary color and the search for life beyond Earth. This journey is just beginning, and every discovery brings us closer to understanding our place in the universe. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, color becomes a universal language. It speaks to us across the void, telling tales of distant worlds and the forces that shape them. It allows us to communicate across unimaginable distances, bridging the gap between stars and galaxies. By deciphering the language of color, we can begin to unravel the mysteries of these alien worlds, piecing together the puzzle of the cosmos and our place within it. So, what determines a planet's color? This question has fascinated scientists and astronomers for centuries. The vibrant hues we see when we look at planets are not just random. They are the result of complex interactions between light and matter. The answer lies in the way light interacts with matter. Light, which is composed of all the colors in the spectrum, behaves differently when it encounters various substances. When light, which is made up of all colors, hits an object, some colors are absorbed. This absorption depends on the material properties of the object. Other colors are reflected back. The specific wavelengths of light that are reflected determine the color we perceive. The colors that are reflected are what we see. This phenomenon is not just limited to planets but can be observed in everyday objects around us. Imagine a lush green forest on Earth. The leaves appear green because they reflect green light, while absorbing other colors. Plants absorb most colors of light, except green. This selective absorption and reflection give the forest its vibrant green color. This is why we see the forest as green. The same principle applies to planets, but on a much grander scale. The same principle applies to planets. The materials that make up a planet's surface and atmosphere play a crucial role in determining its color. The composition of a planet's atmosphere and surface will dictate which colors of light are absorbed or reflected. This is why planets can appear so different from one another. The presence of certain gases in the atmosphere can create distinct colors. For instance, methane gas can give a planet a blue appearance. For example, a planet with a thick atmosphere of methane might appear blue. This is due to methane's ability to absorb red light and reflect blue light. This is similar to how Uranus and Neptune get their blue hues. Their atmospheres are rich in methane, which gives them their distinctive color. A planet with a lot of iron oxide on its surface might look red, just like Mars. The iron oxide, or rust, reflects red light, giving Mars its characteristic reddish appearance. Let's dive deeper into the elements that paint planets. A planet's atmosphere acts like a giant filter. It selectively absorbs and scatters different colors of sunlight. This can create stunning visual effects. For instance, abundant nitrogen in Earth's atmosphere scatters blue light more effectively than other colors. This is why our sky appears blue. On Venus, a thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide traps heat, leading to a runaway greenhouse effect. This gives Venus its yellowish appearance. The composition of a planet's surface also plays a vital role in its color. Rocky planets like Mars and Mercury often have iron oxides on their surfaces. These oxides reflect red wavelengths of light, giving these planets their characteristic reddish hues. Icy worlds in the outer solar system, like Jupiter's moon Europa, reflect most sunlight, giving them a bright white appearance. The search for life is one of the most profound endeavors in astronomy. And in this cosmic quest, color becomes a beacon of hope. Could a planet's color reveal the presence of life? On Earth, the vibrant green of vegetation signals the presence of chlorophyll. This pigment allows plants to absorb sunlight and convert it into energy through photosynthesis. Could we find similar green signatures on other planets, indicating the possibility of extraterrestrial plant life? While green is often associated with life, it's not the only possibility. Scientists believe that life on other planets could utilize different pigments, leading to a whole rainbow of colors that could signal life. Section 5. Green Worlds, Signs of Photosynthesis. Imagine a distant world covered in lush alien forests. These forests might not look exactly like those on Earth, but they could still share a common characteristic: the presence of chlorophyll or chlorophyll-like pigments. These pigments absorb light in the red and blue parts of the spectrum, reflecting green light back into space. If we detect a strong green signature from an exoplanet, it could suggest the presence of photosynthetic organisms. However, it's crucial to remember that not all green planets are necessarily teeming with life. Other factors, such as the composition of the planet's atmosphere or the presence of certain minerals, could also contribute to a green hue. Section 6. Purple hues, a different kind of life. Life is incredibly adaptable. It finds a way to thrive in the most extreme environments on Earth. So, it's reasonable to think that extraterrestrial life could evolve in ways we can't even imagine. Some scientists speculate that early life on Earth might have used a purple pigment called retinal to harness the sun's energy. This could mean that some planets might host purple-colored life forms. These organisms, dubbed purple Earth life forms, could potentially exist on planets with different atmospheric compositions or those orbiting different types of stars. Finding evidence of such life forms would be a revolutionary discovery, expanding our understanding of life itself. Section 7. Earth's color through time. Earth itself serves as a fascinating example of how a planet's color can change over time due to the presence of life. Billions of years ago, our planet's atmosphere lacked significant amounts of oxygen. It likely had a reddish-orange hue due to the presence of methane and other gases. However, the emergence of photosynthetic organisms like cyanobacteria marked a turning point. These organisms released oxygen as a byproduct of photosynthesis, gradually transforming Earth's atmosphere. This great oxidation event led to the formation of our oxygen-rich atmosphere and the familiar blue skies and green continents we see today. Studying how Earth's color has changed over time provides valuable insights for interpreting the colors of exoplanets and searching for signs of life. Section 8. The Hunt for Biosignatures. The search for life beyond Earth has entered an exciting new era. Powerful telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope are now capable of analyzing the light from distant exoplanets, searching for telltale signs of life known as biosignatures. These biosignatures are chemical fingerprints that could indicate the presence of life. They could be gases in a planet's atmosphere like oxygen, methane, or ozone, or even pigments on a planet's surface. By studying the light that passes through an exoplanet's atmosphere, these telescopes can detect the presence of these biosignatures. This provides us with unprecedented insights into the composition of exoplanetary atmospheres and the potential for life on these distant worlds. Section 9. Conclusion. A colorful future for exoplanet discoveries. The cosmos is a vast and colorful tapestry, woven with billions upon billions of stars and planets. Each star, each planet, is a thread in this grand design, contributing to the overall beauty and complexity of the universe. The colors we see are not just for show, they tell us about the composition, the age, and the potential habitability of these distant worlds. Each of these planets tells a story, a unique narrative written in the language of color. The reds, blues, greens, and purples we observe are clues, waiting to be deciphered by scientists and astronomers. These colors can indicate the presence of certain gases, minerals, and even biological activity. As we continue to explore the universe and uncover new worlds, understanding the colors of these planets will be crucial in our quest to find life beyond Earth. The technology we develop and the missions we undertake will be guided by these colorful signals, helping us to prioritize which planets to study more closely. From the vibrant greens of photosynthetic life to the potential purples of alien ecosystems, the spectrum of colors we encounter will expand our understanding of what life can be. These discoveries will challenge our preconceived notions and push the boundaries of our scientific knowledge. The possibilities are as limitless as the universe itself. Each new discovery adds a piece to the puzzle, bringing us closer to answering the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? The search for life beyond Earth is a journey of discovery, and the colors of the cosmos serve as our guideposts, leading us towards a deeper understanding of our place in the universe. Every mission, every observation, brings us one step closer to uncovering the secrets of the cosmos. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember that each point of light represents a world of possibilities, a world waiting to be explored and understood. The universe is a vast, colorful expanse, and we are just beginning to scratch the surface of its mysteries. With each new discovery, we add a new chapter to the story of the cosmos, a story that is as colorful and diverse as the universe itself.